Hello and welcome back to my Unity 2D game tutorial for my advanced application class. And I've done some editing to the game over screen. Basically, I have music. I added an animation to try to make it seem like so like better that it's game over. And so right now I have two different ways that I can show that it's game over. The first one is it shows that the fox gets hurt and he like jumps in the air all hurt and then he disappears from the map. But then also I have like a background which I like the animation for when you get hurt, but I want to try to get the background to fade in, which I haven't been able to do yet. So basically, I have two different approaches that I'm going to combine into one. And I've done a lot of messing around with patrol scripts. So I had one where it senses if there's going to be ground and then it'll turn around. But then I found out how to do other scripts that'll actually just go to a certain point on the map and then turn around. And you can just set like those vector offsets and it'll just keep traveling until it hits that point. It'll fall off whatever platforms and just keep going and keep going. Um, I'm trying to look at different ways to because there's some inconsistencies with how some of those work. Like um, if you want to kind of do something else with them, I don't know how to explain it, but when I get in the editor, I'll show you a little bit. I also forgot to mention that I have dashing for my character now. It's just a simple thing. It just increases his movement speed if you press a button while you're running. So I don't know if I mentioned that, but I have that as well. I don't remember when I implemented that, but yeah. All right, and we'll see you in the next video where I demonstrate my game in action. Thank you.